I heard someone count, so I looked over and then all of a sudden I hear the blast. I was about to stop. They're trying to get people off.
What do you think?
What?
Cool. What? Was it worth it? Huh? Was it worth it?
Yeah.
You jumped. I'll jump too. Watch when it starts.
They look like big clouds. You say nothing.
They didn't say nothing, right? Were you looking at it? Were you looking when it came down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like, where's it going up from? I thought it was going to go from the top to the bottom, but I thought it was going to that. Yeah, I thought it was going to go from the top to the bottom, but it went from bottom to top. But that was funny. It tilted this way and then it went. That was scared me half to death, but I'm still
It's going to be an hour, 2 hours.
Okay.
Imagine, I gotta come back to work here. Ready?
Yeah.
I was turned around all this way.